welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. And Marcia is calling out Gracie. What Marcia is saying is that Gracie called her and she doesn't know why. Now, guys, you would have to go and catch the video to hear what Marcia has to say about Gracie and to Gracie. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies and supporters, my friends, family, subscribers, and anything that you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful day. And take this as a lesson. If you are not speaking to someone, do not call them. There is no reason to call that individual. If you are not acquainted, do not call that person because there is no reason to do so. Now, if you're on social media and you're having beef with people, going back and forth, and you've somehow came to an end in that beef, and you've not really ended it by apologizing or, having a discussion with the person, leave them alone. It doesn't matter if they're going through some problems or they have a family member that died or whatever the case may be. You hear something and you want to send your condolences. Sometimes we have to think about the timing of when we're doing stuff. So if this was a case that, you're reaching out to say, basically, condolences or whatever the case may be, I don't know, then we would have to ensure that you're picking a time that is not interrupting what is going on in the person's life. Sometimes we have to try to communicate better, or not in times where it will cause the individual to get upset. All right? So we have to remember that yes, we can reach out to those that we may have problems with or have issues with in the past and try to mend things, but not everybody's going to take to it, or not everybody is going to be accepting of an apology. Even if it's not an apology and you're trying to get under their skin, no, that's not something you should do. And as I say to people at all times, ensure that we're not going out there making trouble with anyone. Remember, there's a thing called karma, and it will bite us in the ass. And we have to ensure that our karma is not being extended to our family members or our kids, because it does travel through generations. Be wise, people, and know what we're doing out here, because things that we say and do, they sometimes don't affect us, but they run in our generation. And that is something that we should think about. Have yourselves a beautiful day.
I wanted it. So when I do a funeral, I want to ask me a question. So I tell you now, me sit down today after the funeral over, we had a repast and everything, and we sit down and we were having a good time. Me and my family sit down. Lo and behold, no other than the little stinking pussy Gracie call me. The little stinking crotch dirty girl. Eh? Call me. Can you imagine the audacity? Me say any blood clot, bumbo clot, there me catch you, me a fight you. My bumbo clot 10, the way me 8 you, 9 you, 10 you. Me say any blood clot there me catch you, me a spit in your face. My pussy clot 10. You better pray. You better pray. You better pray that me, Marcia Campbell, don't return in my church. I swear upon the Holy Bible, me I got jail for you. You hear me tell you? Me say any day, if you try your best, don't let me catch you. On the road, no day at all. The way me 8, you 9, you 10, 11, 12, you 1,000 you. Any day me catch you. You better pray. You better pray me return full time in my church. You're bright and out of order. Me tell you say no, me no love woman. Me only admire them. People who can inspire me. And anybody can inspire me. Because me have a friend behind closed door. We're in a high position. And even them can't tap me from us. Pastors, deacon. A certain woman me look up to will inspire me. And when it inspire me, people, woman will inspire me is in dressing and things. Like me, you know who inspire me? Like Diana Ross and Tina Turner. Those women who love to dress up nice with big hairstyle, yes. If me, it look like say, you're obsessed with me. You is one of the most slabbiest, nastiest, craniest, ugliest fat bitch me ever see on social media. And if me was a lesbian, you will be the last girl me chat to. You understand? Me know why. Listen to me. Me say, make me back catch you. Make me back catch you. You try your best to make me buck you up. No way. In a New York City. Don't make me buck you up. No way. Me ain't an argument today now. Me just want buck you. Me say I can spit by you. I know if you take time, I'm in no mood. From that little crosses, girl can call me today and disturb me nice, peaceful self. Me just want to catch her. So right now, anybody say nothing to me? When not even sound right or sound right, me go off. Because me well want to spit in that girl's face. Me not ask you. Me no see little dirty girl. All week me no see her. And you take up she take up for herself. And both she call me. Me say bitch to make book you up. You know what I meet me? Me I come down tomorrow in New York City. And I'm gonna be down here for a long time. Bitch, me want to catch you. I'm gonna be down here. Tell me where to meet you. If I even your blood clot workplace. Tell me where to meet your dirty pussy clot. Let me listen to me. Me come to your workplace for you. Me not ask you. Me not chatting with you, bitch. Me just want to see you. And this is a blood clot promise. Me not chatting with me. Me not chatting with you. Me just want to see you in front of me. Me not chatting with you. Not chatting. Me not you. None. Me just want to see you. Me just want to know which part of them. Me Marcia will come there. You want content? Tell me which part there. Since that's so desperate for content and you want to focus, you want to freak yourself with me. Tell me which part there. Me will come there. Me ain't not chatting with you. Me ain't not chatting with you. Chatting time over. Me just want to know which part you're there. Me not chatting with you. Since I see I look small to play with. Because me sure no something in your pussy. Me not chatting with you. Me just tell me which way there. Let me lay away to you out the door. Me Marcia Campbell. Me not chatting with you. Not chatting. You see a smile on my face? You see a smile on my face? You're bright. You take up it about you call me. You can buy this Africa? You can wear this Africa? Yeah, you know about dressing? Have I ever seen you in a feminine closet? Me see you there at Jamaica Palm Beach and me see you in a jean shorts, in a hot sun. You don't have no clothes. A pair of jeans to wear. Me never seen a one dress. You never look feminine yet. You look like a big bull cow. There's no feminine thing about you. Not even the wig them look good for head. You cut off, are the worst thing you could have do. If you cut off your hair like mine, because you try to be like me. And you look like a undeveloped calf. You look like an undeveloped hippo. You look like a undeveloped hippo. You can't talk about nobody clothes. You can't wear this Africa. Where you call my phone man? I want to catch your blood clot, see? Me ain't not chatting with him. I just want to see it in my face. You want content? Come meet me. Tell me which part there. I bet you if your name blood clot Gracie. I bet you not too much ready. I bet you. I'm going to reach you tomorrow. You want too much ready? I bet you. All your yard me a come pussy. All your yard me will come for you. Me not ask you. Me ain't not chatting with you. Me want to catch you. Me just want to catch you. Me ain't not chatting. Me ain't not cussing. Me just want to catch you and arc and spit in your face. Me just want to see and just dash some shit right in your face. That's all. Me just shit in one pan and dash in your face. I'm pissing it. Me not tell you. Me walk with that blood clot for you in one pan. Me shit in one plastic dish. And me see me just dash that blood clot, I swear to God. I dash that bumbo clot right by you. As God up a living if me see it right now. Me shit in one pan and dash that blood clot in your face. As God could have couldn't want to kill me. Me, Marcia Campbell. Me not ask you. You hear me repeat sir? Me say as God could have couldn't want to kill me today. Me say if me see you. Me shit in one pan and dash that blood clot in your face. Me not ask you. Me serious as a judge. Me shit in one pan and dash that blood clot bloop in your face. You way me not like you. I'm serious. Me ain't not chatting with you. Bitch, meet me somewhere. Me not chatting with you. You're bright. Over phone you call and harass. My phone is for business. Bitch like you, me no know me ain't a friend no call me. You not buy shit? Me ain't acquaintances and members only don't call my number. You're bright. You're bright. Me ain't ramping with you. You think I forget where you do me? A year or so ago? You think I forget? Make I ever catch your blood clot. Make I ever catch you. You stinking cunt. We ain't not chatting with you. We just want to buck up your dirty, big, fat, sour pussy clot. Me shit now, but you see, I've got up here, so me dash in your blood clot face, bitch. You better pray that me not turn full in my church. You better make sure so when you make sure some in a book you up here. No way in New York City. You hear me tell you? You're bright. Where I call my phone for? You know so today a funeral day, me sitting on my family. Where you calling me and harassing me for? Yeah? You can't look like me? You can't look like me? You can't wear this dress here? A tailor dress this from Macy's, $180. You can't wear this a silk dress, you can't wear this type of dress here? After you look like a hippo. You can't wear that jacket. You can't wear it. You can't wear them a type of classic dress. You can't wear it. Will you call up my phone for? Let me catch you. Me not chatting with you. Let me catch you. Let me never catch you. Me not like you. The service bad. I don't know if it reoccur. When you can't do this, contents them a look. Contents them looking. Contents. Me not see them the people eh. Bright. Let me see if something on my battery. My battery dead. My battery. One charge, one light. One light in there. My cousin in the room. Me don't want cuss up and chat. Because I cuss enough and I'm not used to them type of word. You understand? So I just say, you know what, I come chill out guys. And stuff. Can you imagine? They have enough drama. That little dirty drunk up here, a little slut. Have enough thing on the head. And this big fat sour drunk girl call me. I look contents. I call my phone and talk about I want to say but if I a cheap frock me wear at a cheap frock me Havana wear or whatever it is. I catch you. It's not smile on my face. The way me despise me can't even cuss you right now. Me just want to hold you. Me not ask you. I'm big and bad and bold like that. Me not ask you. Same way on Facebook and same way in real life. Don't feel like I'm afraid of you. Me not afraid of no boy and a girl out there. Come test. You ever see me get mad? You ever see me go in a store and get mad? I guess you never experienced my mouth. You think so because we're on Facebook and chat, you think same way in real life. If try me. I'm telling you right now. Me catch a blood clot charge for you. I catch a charge for you. I will catch a charge. Have you ever looked at yourself? You can't wear them clothes, eh? You can't wear them, eh? You can't wear the material, eh? The way your skin's tough like a alligator. You can't wear them quality clothes. You know, people come up here and they say, Marcia don't say nothing. And Marcia don't say this and Marcia so that. But this is provoking. Me no look for that dirty stinking blood clot girl all week. And me there spend time with my family and sit down and me just and the little old drunk girl knows me come from funeral. And I call me and say me sit down there and she knows I'm there with my family. And I call me and I interfere with me. I hold me want hold you. Me not ask you. I hold you want then everywhere every graveside. You see when time.
Me? Yeah. I'll stay with you. I'm here.
You see when time me you see every cemetery when me go? Every funeral when me go? It's a tradition for me. I read any graveside me I walk in. If I know myself I go to funeral and go in the graveside. I even if me there bus stop back in the days. And me there bus stop and me pass any cemetery. Me say the Lord's Prayer. All of a sudden me go in my vehicle now. And me start say the Lord's Prayer because me park up in a cemetery. Me Duppy follow me and Duppy in my vehicle. All of a sudden. Yes, see people are on the content. Them have to follow back at me. Why don't I would them did there? I would them there. Where you did there? When me leg got the big load of shit. Eh? Where did they? Them the time they can set your blood clam out. Eh? Where did they? Where did they today? When I leg got this big load for you? Where did they? Where did they? Where was? You people can't come like, okay, Marcia, don't answer them. Don't answer them. Don't answer them. Yes, me not answer them. But what the girl call me number for? What she call my number for? She not have enough people out there. She don't know who to go answer. Who a class her up out there. What she call me number for? No one 4x4 the blood clot girl want to cross her face. Make me back at you. It is a mirror. Don't let me catch you. Me serious as a judge. For you see me swear upon the Holy Bible, you must know. God knows me fed up of you. Me sick and tired of you. Me no mind sharp a truck run over your blood clot tomorrow. Where they want to run over me and me declare me run over you first. And come off of Facebook. And you should have done in the blood clot cemetery. Your big sour blood clot can't breathe, girl. Me no like you. You're waste matter. You just an extra waste trash. And for years to me I taught them something. Yeah. You know say, Marcia, only God himself can change my heart from you. You think I forget where you do me? Last year before last. Or you scandal me and talk about my family?